What's up, gang? This is Jay the Trash Man with Yo Trash is my game, and y'all watch these trash things, and I'm back again with another video for y'all, man. Right now it's snowing in Denver, Colorado. It's the day before Thanksgiving. It's Wednesday, the 27th, Wednesday, November. Dates are all mixed up, but November 27th, the day before Thanksgiving, snowing in Colorado. I literally last night just got the Ford F-550 out of the shop. I'm gonna post that video before this video, and you will see the tow truck pulling it away and all that fun stuff just a little bit after it got fixed. Quick story on that, but I was driving the Ford, jumping on the highway, and then all of a sudden a little wrench light came on, and then you can see there how it shows the light on it, and then when you put it in drive, all the numbers pop up. Well, for me, all that lights were gone. It wasn't showing that it was in any gear, like no park, reverse, any of that stuff. And then also I was trying to see, what gear I was in, because I felt like the transmission wasn't shifting. So I got over on the middle of the highway, turned off the truck. Hopefully I just needed to reset everything, maybe just a sensor or something, just needed to be resetted. So I turned off the truck, left it there for like a minute, 30 seconds, a minute. Tried to turn it back on and no crank. And just, it wasn't saying that I wasn't in gear. Called my boss, my dad, told him what was going on. He told me to call the transmission guys, because like we said previously, this truck just got a new transmission put into it. So gave them a call, and our guy Tony at Rams Transmission, if you guys ever need transmission work, call them. Rams Transmission, the guy Tony, you can say, we recommended you. He had the tow truck out within an hour. They had the truck on the tow truck, towed it to the shop, and they looked at it that day. Apparently it was a sensor inside. There was a sensor inside the transmission, so they had to kind of tear apart the transmission, change out that sensor, and then everything was working. So it took like 2 days, but they took care of us. If there's something wrong with it, they gave us a tow truck, and they had me in and out within 2 days. So definitely appreciate them. Like I said, if you ever need transmission work and you're in the Denver metro area, Rams Transmission is right off of like I-25 and 120th. It's like 112th. You gotta like back loop around and whatnot. But give them a call if you ever need some work. They'll give you good prices, and they warranty their stuff. So got that all, but right now so we got that all fixed, and then it started snowing, so I got to deal with the snow today. I got a couple of pickups, got a couple drop-offs. Take you guys along for the whole craziness of the snow. Hopefully I don't get stuck in no mud. Luckily this truck does have four-wheel drive, so we should be pretty good. Just gotta lock the hubs, put on the four-wheel drive, and usually it goes pretty good. Hope you guys are enjoying everything. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you guys for riding with Jay the Trash Man. We will see you guys on the flip side. Let's go. Guys, got snow in Colorado. Chilly out here. Gotta wind up this tarp. Shingles in here. It ain't too muddy yet. Wait till it warms up a little bit, and this whole place is gonna be a mess. Trying to get here earlier at least. I'm gonna go ahead and lock these hubs just in case they need to put four-wheel drive on. Oh man, it is cold out here. BTO on. Throw this in neutral for now. I don't think I'll have to put the 4-wheel drive on. Doesn't look too muddy yet, but it might get there soon. Guys not being in the truck. Neutral. Put this back up. These Fords here, they have these little levers here instead of the little control that I had in the Chevy. Talked about a little about the Ford and kind of what happened to it here in a minute. Just got out of the shop yesterday. Got the big dozer. Everything came out. Yep, looks nice. Whew. Wind's kicking in. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so don't let that happen, but alright. Clean this up. Make sure everything's locked. Whew. It is cold. Let's see if I get stuck in here coming out. Got the hubs locked just in case I need to put 4-wheel drive on, but looks like it'll be okay. I think I'm gonna leave this at the yard here. While it's still cold, I wanted to the ground get dry up and, well, not dry up, but get all mushy. While it's still cold is the best in this weather. Day before Thanksgiving, we got some snow. Oh, there's 30 good bumps. Oh, looks like we're gonna have no problem getting down here. Alright guys, I'm gonna scale out and we'll get this dropped off at the yard, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Alright guys, we're getting to the yard now. Last couple times I hear when it's snowed, it just makes us a mess. They don't ever scrape this area, so I had a drop off for this, but I got a couple other that I gotta bring here, so I'd rather bring this here now when it's still colder than it will be, you know, at noon. That time is wrong, not 5:45, but I think we're looking at like 10 o'clock right now. So I'm taking it out along and see if we get stuck or see what happens. I don't have the 4-wheel drive on yet, but if I need it, I'll kick it on. Try to get that going. I believe I do have one dumpster here already, so we're just gonna get that dumpster in front of this dumpster, or this dumpster in front of that dumpster. So snowing pretty good here. They said it's gonna stop around 10, 11, so hopefully not much longer. Or don't ever getting too much on the ground, but I think we're gonna be pretty good here. I don't think it's gonna be too muddy. If you haven't drove in the snow or the mud, key to is momentum. Momentum is key. You know, it's hard. Like right now, you know, if I was stuck in the mud, it'd be kind of hard. But looks like we're doing pretty good. Moving. I think the ground is pretty solid enough, so that's good news. On the side of the truck. Pretty good right here. Throw it on.
get this off. Oh, that thing turned sideways. Oh, I think it's gonna break sideways. Oh, what it's doing now. Yeah, really kick sideways. I don't know why you're doing this right now. No. Oh, look at that, I was able to push it. So if you just added that little safety hook on there, other guys at MCS weld that on. Before, on the first day of running this truck, it didn't have that little safety hook on it. And my dad was driving the truck and he had a whole dumpster fall off. Scared him pretty good. Luckily he was in the rocks, so it wasn't damaging nothing, and it didn't damage the concrete or none of that stuff. But I don't know why it's moving so much, but there it goes. Alright, now I'll back it up until it smacks the other box. There it goes. Drop it down. Perfect. Alright guys, gotta make a run up to Greenwood Village. I think it's about like a 15-minute drive. Pick that dumpster up. And then drop one off in Denver somewhere. Don't quite know where at yet. Hopefully it's more down south. But hope you guys are enjoying everything. There's a little snow before Thanksgiving. If I get this all edited, hopefully it gets done by tonight. This will be releasing on Thanksgiving, so that is my goal. But as of right now, I'm gonna drive along. Hopefully I don't get stuck, but we will see you guys on the flip side.
right, guys, I'm here at the yard now, about to be wrapping up my day. Right now, it's pretty nice out here. We got some snow on the ground, but overall, the snow is pretty much cleared off. There hasn't been snowing, and the roads have been really clear, so that's pretty good. The landfills it was getting bad, but nothing that I couldn't handle, and I wasn't stuck at all. Little mess up on my part. I did forget to record a drop off at a customer's house, but I did also record 2 drop offs at my yard, so you guys do get that. Just me forgetting to set up the camera and record, so my bad. Like I said, I'm still getting used to this. I've been kind of slacking on the recording. I've just been trying to go, so it puts me in a different mind state, and I just had a lapse of judgment on my bad, on my part. But I am clocking out for work today, and gonna go pick up my daughter, and we're gonna get ready for Thanksgiving. So hope you guys have a good holidays. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't, subscribe, comment down below. If you like the video, definitely appreciate all the support I have gotten. Thank you guys for riding with Jay the Trash Man. We will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.